Better turn on the tornado sirens because we're about to create an epic sales funnel. Get it? Tornado siren, sales funnel. Hello, I'm Allison Marshall, the founder of Wonderlast.com, and today you are watching episode number 5 of From Frustrated to Fabulous. Now, if you've watched one of these before, you will know that this is that magical time where once a week I pop in to help you turn a specific online business related woe into an online business win. In other words, I take a specific online business related frustration and present you with the solution. And today's head-pounding online business woe is, what the F is a sales funnel and how do I make one that works? So if you've ever thought things like, I created a sales funnel so that I can make passive income, but it's not working. What the F is a sales funnel? Does my sales funnel have to be 5 emails long? What do I include in my sales funnel? Then this episode is for you. Let's dive in. Here's 5 steps for creating a sales funnel that works. But first, what the F is a sales funnel? A sales funnel is simply a fancy term that describes a path that you create that leads someone to your paid offering. For example, you might have a free blog post which mentions a free content upgrade, and that free content upgrade leads to a free email sequence, and that email sequence might lead to your paid offering. Or you might have a Facebook ad that leads someone to a landing page with a freebie, and that freebie leads someone to an email sequence, and that email sequence leads someone to your paid offering. As you can see, there are lots of types of sales funnels. You can literally create a sales funnel out of any type of content that you like, as long as it's a path of free content that leads people to your paid content. Now, the 2 main objectives of a sales funnel is to 1, nurture and lead someone to your paid offering by providing them with relevant free content along the way, and 2, to make sales. Duh. And perhaps the best part about creating awesome sales funnels is you can automate them so that they run in the background of your business, making you passive income. i.e., you do all the work at once to actually set it up and create the content, and then you can just set it and forget it while it makes sales for you while you're off doing other things. Like watching Cake Wars on Netflix, or petting your cat, or sitting outside looking for chipmunks because they're adorable! Now that you hopefully understand what the F a sales funnel is, let's get back to how you can create one that works in 5 steps. Step number 1 to creating a sales funnel that works is to decide on just 1 paid offering to promote in your sales funnel. No, not 2, not 3, not 10, 1. Why? Promoting multiple different things inside of your sales funnel makes it infocused and ineffective. When people are provided with too many options, they just get overwhelmed and confused, and then they just want to choose 0 options. It's like their brains short circuit. Oh, I got an offer for this, but then there's this thing right here, and they're also offering me this, but then there's that thing, and then I just... Plus, you want all of the content within your sales funnel to be completely in line with the topic of your paid offering. And if you're trying to promote multiple different things, well, then that's going to be a little hard to do. Step number 2 to creating a sales funnel that works is to decide what type of sales funnel you will create. As you saw already, you can string together all different types of content to create the path of your perfect sales funnel. Do you just want to create an email sequence that leads to your paid offering? Do you want to create a blog post that leads to a webinar replay that leads to an email sequence that leads to your paid offering? Now, to help you decide on what type of sales funnel to create, ask yourself if you already have any content that you could reuse within your sales funnel. Do you already have an awesome webinar recording that you could use? Do you already have a sequence of emails that you wrote out for a previous promotion? Do you already have an amazing blog post? So look to see if you have any content that you can reuse within your funnel so that you can save yourself time and make your life a whole lot easier. Now, if you don't already have some existing content, then you'll need to create some. Sorry. But whether you reuse old content or create new content from scratch, you absolutely must do step number 3, which is to make sure that the free content within your sales funnel is directly related to the topic of the paid offering that you're promoting in it. Why? Well, if you went through a sales funnel that was filled with tons of info-packed content on how to bake the perfect cupcakes, and then at the end you got pitched a book on how to grow your own vegetables, wouldn't you be just a little confused and let down? Let's be honest. I wanted to make cupcakes, not grow my own vegetables. So, the free content in your funnel directly related to the paid offering in your funnel. Step number 4 to creating a sales funnel that works is to make your paid offering the next logical step. By the time that you mention your paid offering at the end of your sales funnel, people should be educated on the topic of what the heck your paid offering even is and why it's important. I mean, why do they need it? Why should they want it? What can it do for them? You need to create content inside your sales funnel that provides value, educates, and showcases your paid offering as the next logical step. Makes perfect sense. And step number 5 to creating a sales funnel that works is to create genuine urgency. You know what people love to do? Procrastinate, especially if it involves money, even if it's something that the person genuinely wants or needs. Oh, I love it. I'll get it tomorrow. Oh, yes, I love it. Oh, too lazy to get out my credit card right now. I'll get it tomorrow. I love it. Oh, but I just spent a ton on groceries. I'll get it next week. And then they just never get it. You need to give people a real reason to get off the fence and to buy your paid offering. And it needs to be genuine. Like if you're selling an ebook and you're trying to tell me that you've only got 5 copies left, buy my amazing ebook. But hurry, there's only 5 copies left. Not very genuine. No. Whether you are offering people a time-sensitive discount, bundle, bonus, or the cart is closing, you have got to give people a reason to move their butts. And now, a quickie recap. The 5 steps to creating a sales funnel that works are: step number 1, decide on just one paid offering to promote inside of your sales funnel. Step number 2, decide on what type of sales funnel you want to create. Step number 3 is to make sure that all of the free content within your sales funnel is directly related to the topic of the paid offering that you're promoting inside it. Step number 4, make your paid offering the next logical step. And step number 5 is to create genuine urgency inside your sales funnel, because people need a reason to move their butts. Did you enjoy this episode? If so, let me know in the comments below. That rhymed. But seriously, I would love to hear from you, so leave me a comment below if you enjoyed this episode. And if you liked the video, I totally wouldn't mind if you liked the video. And lastly, if you can think of anyone who might need a little sales funnel help, then be sure to share this video. Spread the love. And with that, I am off, but do not fret, for I will see you next week. Oh yeah.